Welcome to this tutorial on how to access and manage payments on the ERP system. Effective payment management helps organizations track transactions accurately, monitor payment records, and maintain smooth financial operations within the platform. In this session, you will learn how to access, review, and manage payment activities efficiently. Let's get started. Scroll down and click on Game Zone or search for Game Zone using the search bar. Click Game Zone to open the gaming area where various game-related options are available. Select Payments to open the Payments Management page, where you can view, monitor, and manage payment transactions within the system. This is how the payment page looks like. You'll see pending payments, cleared payments, and canceled payments, all from the membership section. This current member's payment is pending. You can click the icons to perform more action, such as clearing a payment for approval, canceling a payment, viewing and deleting a payment respectively. And that's a wrap on managing payments on the ERP system. You've just learned how to access and manage payment records to support accurate transaction tracking and efficient financial operations within the platform. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.